If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Yeah. Middle fingers up, I don't care about opinions. Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. This is your boy King's Life checking in with a new video. So today guys, we have a new mod for the Chrysler Crossfire L-wire, LED L-wire guys. So we're gonna go ahead and install this thing, man, and see what it's gonna look like. And we can go from there, man. So I probably won't be able to show you guys until tonight on like how it really looks. But we're gonna get this install process started, man. So y'all stick with me. I'm gonna show y'all what I have so far. And sorry about all the noise, guys. But so this is the wire here, guys. This is the wire, and this is like the little tube that goes inside here. So what you want to do is go ahead and measure, you know, pretty much what you're trying to do. What I want to do, I want to go ahead and put the lights through up in here. Let me go ahead and take y'all off this thing, man, so I can show y'all where I want all of this wires and stuff at. All right, guys, so we got the scissors that we need. You definitely gonna need scissors so you can cut this and pretty much measure how you want to measure it. But so far, guys, I don't think this is gonna be long enough to go all the way around like the doors. So I might have to just use what I have and do the dash and then my gear shifter and just leave it as that, guys, because I don't think I'm gonna have enough room to do the doors with. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let the camera roll, guys, and y'all can just I might just go ahead and install half of it and show y'all, and then I'll just you know, show y'all the after effect, guys, because it will be a long ass video. So y'all just stay tuned. I appreciate all the love and support that you've been giving your boy. All right, guys, so let me not go too fast in the process, because this video is about how to do it right, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do everything. So what I come up with, guys, you have this tube here, right? And you have this extra tube for the, I guess, for the LED light. So what you want to do basically is put this tube inside of here. It has a little hole. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if the camera gonna pick it up right because I have it on 4K. But as you can see, it has a little hole right there. So I'm gonna stick it in this hole, and we're just gonna go all the way down till it won't go no more. Now you can always cut this. You can cut it wherever you want to cut it, and it won't damage this part, you know, as long as you leave a little bit out that way, because you have to hook it in those little deals right there, which I'm going to show y'all in a little while. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right, guys, so I have y'all in 4K mode, man. So the camera is a little bit actually it's too fully, like, I don't know, it's kind of weird to explain it, but I'm using this 4K. This is my first time using it, guys, but I want to give y'all a more crispier you know, view or whatever. But I want to start from the door all the way around on the dash, pretty much going down this way, all the way down that way, come back around, and then loop back up, and then come around that way, and then loop back on the door again. So but y'all gonna see the process, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything. And I got these two, guys. That way you can cover up your wires and everything. That way you won't have everything exposing. You want to go to O'Reilly's and go and get you some of this right here. All right, guys, so this is what we got so far, man. I'm not finished yet. I still got to do some cutting and everything, but it's coming along, guys. I gotta kind of extend this part, that way I can have it running down the seat. That way nobody can tell you know, where the strings are at or anything like that. But it's coming along so far, man. It's coming along so far. It's looking pretty good too. I ain't gonna hold you. It looked pretty good. I can just imagine at nighttime. But I'm gonna try to get it. I have to download the app on my phone, so that way I can change the colors and stuff. That's why it's blinking right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a walk around of the Crossfire, man. If you're new stopping in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button. I don't know who them motherfuckers is on that mind. But yeah, man, she coming along. I tell you what, man, this 4K, it looks pretty good, but it's at the same time, it's kind of weird though. Kind of weird. But I don't know, man. Over here is not really lighting up that much. I'm not sure why. But I try to figure that out, man. So far, it's looking pretty good, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got a couple of more things to do, and like I said, I gotta do some cutting, and then we're gonna get back to it, man. But so far, it's looking pretty damn good. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Stick around for the whole video. Don't skip through it. Don't skip no ads, guys. I appreciate all of y'all.
I'm the type to go and get the money. You the type to watch a nigga go out and get it. I'm the type to save my bread. You the type to go out and spend it. Fuck it. I need a crib with a view. I need a bad chick too. I need a couple foreigns outside. Like damn, which one do I choose? I'm trying to make sure my mom is straight. Gotta make sure that the family good. Gotta make sure that we gotta play. That's how I know that we eating good. Cause I'm on the way right now. I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way. We making plays. I'm on the way.
All right, guys. So this is King's Life, man. Checking out with a new video, man. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like, share, comment down below. Tell me what you think about the lights, man. I'll probably give y'all another view in another video. So but yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, man. Make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this these lights, man. Like I said, this is a game changer, man. I like it. I like it. I like it, man. Yes, sir. I like it. And you can even see it from the outside of the window, which is pretty cool. It's so bright, man. It's so bright. Let's go through the back. I want to show y'all the back of it, man. Give y'all a back view. But yeah, man, 12 bucks. You can't beat that, man. 12 bucks. And I wanted to go in the doors, guys, but I didn't have enough string to go in the door. So hey, it worked out pretty good though, man. It worked out pretty good. So but yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Yeah. Middle fingers up, I don't care about opinions. Yeah. I ain't more concerned with stacking these figures. Yeah. No, I'm not concerned with none of these bitches. Yeah. She called my phone and I ain't trying to hear it. I'm on the way right now. I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way. We making plays. I'm on the way. We making waves. I'm on the way. We making plays. I'm on the way. We making waves. Yeah. Back, like I never left. Nike all on me, I deserve a check. Niggas mad, I got them upset. I ain't live for muscle, but I still flex. You ain't talking money, then I got no interest. Ballin' on these niggas, what I do best. Any nigga hating, man, tell them niggas stay I'm on the way right now. I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way, we making plays. I'm on the way, we making waves. I'm on the way, we making making plays. I'm on the way, we making waves, yeah. Yeah, I'm back with a vengeance. Tell me why you niggas mad, why you in your feelings, and why y'all act like bitches. I'm the type to go and get the money. You the type to watch a nigga go out and get it. I'm the type to save my bread. You the type to go out and spend it. Fuck it, I need a crib with a view. I need a bad chick too. I need a couple foreigns outside, like damn. Which one do I choose? I'm trying to make sure my mom is straight. Gotta make sure that the family good. Gotta make sure that we gotta play. That's how I know that we eating good. Cause I'm on the way right now. I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way.